Hey guys, welcome to Realistic Crypto. I'm Mark with another 3Commas DCA Bot update. Before we get started, just a couple of things to call out. A couple of weeks back, I published a video that um, related to my long-term DCA Bot strategy update. Clearly, we're in a bear market right now, but there is a solid strategy longer term around what I'm doing, why I'm doing it. If you're interested in that, I'll leave a link in the description below. Also, if you are interested in coming to talk about anything crypto related, investing, mining, um, DCA bot, passive income, etc., there's a link to a free Discord server in the description below as well. So, with that said, let's get into the video. Um, this week, a high level reflection. It has been a relatively autopilot week for the bots. So I have been involved not at all. So I've spent most of this week away, spending some time with the family, and obviously as a result of that, there was no time to really get focused in and deal with any challenges. Luckily, we didn't have any, and again, these just ran on autopilot all week, um, making passive income. So I guess just looking through some of the overview today, $12, not a not the highest of days. Um, Yesterday, 27.42, and so far this week, $74.56. So the week finishes on Sunday. This is how these numbers are calculated. And in the last 7 days, we've done $180, which is not bad at all. So far this month, we're 18 days in, and we're at $495.25, which is brilliant. And then the last 30 days, $518. So if we just take a quick look at the statistics, so we're currently projected to make $835.16 this month, which works out roughly $27.80 per day by the time we get to the end of this month. Now, these are never accurate. These change daily. They change on a deal by deal basis, but we have had quite a solid month up to date so far. So I guess just breaking into the weekly list. So again, projected to make $108 by the end of this week. Again, previous week 277, and the previous week 138. Now, this was in and around all of the FTX news. And obviously that caused a lot of volatility in the markets, which the bots are kind of good with dealing with, if you like. So yeah, a couple of good weeks, settled down a little bit this week. Just taking a quick look at the bots. Let me just filter this by real accounts only. So last 7 days, Key Flux MTV, those are my biggest bags, which is no surprise why they are in and around the top. We've got one bot that's building Ethereum right now, and then we've got all of the rest of the bots here. The only one that's actually lost money this week and this month, and in total, interestingly, is this MTV BTC bot. Now we've split the BTC that we do have across two bots. We were testing two separate configurations. This one's obviously done better than that one, so I'll probably be looking in the next couple of days to turn this one off and reallocate the funds into this one, and then leave that to run and see what we can build there. If you take a quick look at active deals, so we have 6 active deals. Flux, we've had this one open for the last 10 days. And we're 127 down. I think last week we were 140 maybe. But there's not been a lot of change in that. I think, you know, until we see some movement in the market, whether we're heading further down or whether we're going to see a short term break to the upside. You know, we'll just wait and see, and we'll sit tight on that one for now and see where we end up. It will eat into the profits for this month, but you know, we've had a pretty solid month. So, you know, even if we need to take a loss there, then you know we'll still have had a pretty good month so far. Briefly, just take a look at the charts in 3Commas. So we have, again, $192 past 7 days reported here. And again, the majority of days between the $10-$20 mark, apart from, you know, $83 on the 11th and 27 on the 17th. So that is everything for today's video. So thank you very much, everybody, and goodbye.